Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Johnny Depp has confirmed that he will be reprising his role as Gellert Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts 3. The 55-year-old recently spoke about how much he loved the role, choosing to play the evil Grindelwald as a sensitive, concerned yet manipulative and powerful wizard.
Take our lead.
Johnny Depp had been locked in a libel case battle with his ex-wife, Amber Heard, during a stressful 16 days in 2020. Now, we know that Disney officially no longer plans to use Johnny Depp as Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean 6, and the petition is picking up spark, but this time, with a cause. 5 January 2021.
Take our lead.
Johnny Depp. After the news broke last week that Margot Robbie will produce and star in an upcoming Pirates of the Caribbean project, many longtime fans of the franchise are calling for Johnny Depp to still play Captain Jack Sparrow. 28 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mads Mikkelsen. Early last month, Johnny Depp relinquished the role of Gellert Grindelwald after Warner Bros. Asked him to resign. Just days later, it was reported that Hannibal actor Mads Mikkelsen was being eyed to replace Depp, and last week, it was officially confirmed that Mikkelsen will indeed be the new Grindelwald. 2 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.